Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Rudolph Ramirez bringing you another shiny Pokemon video. And I'm sorry if I sound a bit tuckered out. I'm exhausted right now because I woke up a lot way earlier than I was supposed to. But anyway, I found a second shiny Sneasel. And I'm actually extremely happy I found this because I've been hunting for 3 days and I haven't gotten a squat. So, this took 3 days to find. And it wasn't even the request I was looking for. I was trying to do the request for Shiny Pawniard, but instead this popped up. But anyway, I'm kind of happy that it also isn't the request because I promised John Harper. Why do I keep saying Harper? John Hopper. Hopper. Sorry about butchering your name every time I say it, but so I promised him I'd give him the next shiny I catch as a thank you for helping me out with the shiny Frogadier with protein. So, congratulations, John Hopper. You will be getting this shiny Sneasel as a thank you gift from me to you. So, thank you so very much for helping me, and you're really great and awesome. I don't really have too much to say on this thing, because obviously, I'm tired, and this thing took way too long to appear. So, I'm probably not going to be picking up the request right away again, because, actually, my own birthday is going to be showing up, so I'm going to be hunting for my own birthday shiny. Still haven't figured out exactly what I want it to be, but yeah, that'll be coming up soon. Apparently, it's Jolly with a Grip Claw. So that is, Jolly is a speed plus a special attack down. That's so much better than mine. Because, what did mine have? Mine is an attack down, defense up. So, yeah, yours is way better than mine. Mine is horrible. So, let's see, what's your mischievous? I think that helps special defense. That's if I'm right. Don't quote me on that. So there is your shiny Sneasel, John Hopper. So, at some point today, please get a hold of me. I already have your friend code, so it's just all about getting online and speaking to me, and that's not a shiny, so that shouldn't be there. So, get that out of the way. So, get it out of the shiny box, because obviously it's going to be traded. So with that, just get a hold of me, and we'll get the trade started. Well, I believe your in-game name is the same as your YouTube name, so it's not that big of a deal. Anyway, I'm rambling. So, with that, if you guys like what you saw, then please give me a thumbs up on this video. That means so much to me. Don't forget to leave a comment down below if there's anything you'd like to say. I'm still taking requests for my next set of 5 requests when I'm done with Shiny Pawniard, because I only have 1 request going right now. So, send me requests if you guys want me to catch you guys some Pokemon when I'm done training the few that I think I have Galvantula through Hariyama, this Mandibuzz, Skrelp, and then Gastrodon down to Garbodor to train. So it won't take me too long, considering most of these are traded from you guys, which, by the way, thank you everyone for these wonderful shinies that you all traded me, and they're all amazing, and I can't wait to use them in battle. So thank you so very much for trading me these wonderful shinies, guys. It means a lot. So thumbs up to everyone who gave me the shinies that I have just showed you guys here. So with that, catch you guys later. Bye.